हेलौ लोगोफोर दिनै मोनलायगोन जोङो GTA 5 दाख्लैयो खालामदोंमोन जोङो क्लकिं बेलनि मोनथाम मिशन आरो बाखि आरो मोनथाम मोनब्रै दंबायो आरो कमप्लिट खालामनो थ' गाइस बाखि खिनिखौ दिनै कमप्लिट खालामगोन मा जायो नायनांगोन लास्टआव थ' गाइस दायो थांगोन जोङो क्लकिं बेलाव मिशन खालामनो डाइरेक्ट सिदानो पुरानियाव स्ट्रेट लगे गारिखौ लाखिनानै पुरा सिदा स्टार्ट खालामगोन गाइस मिशनखौ आरो मोनथाम मिशन दंबायो नैबे हिट एन्ड रान नैबे हिट एन्ड रान मिशन नैबे हिट एन्ड रान
Salutations. There are 3 potential getaway vehicles spread across these locations. Get a good look at these surveillance shots I'm sending through. These are the gangs on our radar. I'm sure you have plenty of vehicles capable of getting you out of Cluckin with all your extremities intact, but we need something that can't be traced to us. I've acquired 3 suitable options for a getaway car. All of them are sourced from local gangs bribing the LSPD to turn a blind eye to their activities. If the car ends up getting traced, the trail leads back to them, not us. We'll only need to use one of them for the raid. The choice as always is yours.
तो गाइस जाय जों थांबाय थादों
We got 3 cars from 3 gangs, but you only
मिशनाव
need one to get away from the Cluckin factory. Though all these cars differ in quality, you can safely live with any so-called fuck shit. I should remind you, these groups are the same people you may have visited when sourcing your
पूरा
equipment.
पी देंगे इस गाड़ी
If
को
you pay the same crew another visit, expect increased security.
ऑलमोस्ट हम पे
You finessed these degenerates last time, but don't underestimate their ability to adapt. Even when it comes to their rusty-ass car, you will find more resistance.
फाइन एंड स्टिल गेट
Honestly,
अवे
I'm surprised to find this gang in this neck of the woods. You see the vehicle? They'll likely have it stored somewhere secure. Look for a garage and find a way inside.
उन लोगों
It
जानकारी
shouldn't
है
be
उन
hard to break into.
क्यों गाड़ी देंगे वहाँ भी हाँ ये बुंग माने यार माँ यूं ताकत ना रहनी मैं वो कभी बुंग नहीं माने यार
Back to the same guys? You must really have an info.
गाड़ी नहीं apa unlock kamna deh guys enggak salah ya hasil tuh yang dia kayaknya oh saya oke coba dengan apa simbol ah ada apa udah oh belum ham nang naik ya गाड़ी पे गाइस टाइगर की लाना रंग नंगन दा मा बेकार गारिखौ ओरैनो सिखावनो होदों
Near the factory where you can store the getaway car.
बिन्दास थांबाय दालाय
Excellent choice.
ओ भाइ दाखुबाय जोबो
There, so feel free to pay the other gangs a visit and evaluate their cars too. You will be appropriately compensated for any extra vehicles you bring back.
ओ भाइ यो सुद्धा यो भाइ केम खालामदोंमोन बै पुरा दाबायना लांगोन पूरा भाई पूरा गुली को बजेंगे तो पट्टा मना के नहीं करेंगे आरसी कहीं पर है भी इसके बाबू पूरा दाबन लांगोन बै एबार मा टनल बे बोरिया शॉर्टकट लगन दा गाइस रास्ता के नांबा अगला गम बहुत दुनिया में पूरा दाबायना नांगोन दायो स्पीडा दोंसाबो खिन्थु गारिनि भाई कन्ट्रला इमान मोजां नङा भाई कन्ट्रल खालामनो बहुद हार्ड जायो जागाखौ मोनफैबाय गाइस अलमोस्ट मुलांनो दे ओ भाई रिपेयर हमने दे रिपेयर भाई गाड़ी अवस्था क्या हम बेटा बना
What miracle did you want me to perform?
दारंगने गाइस पूरा इजीली से पार्क का मुंडा करेगा मैं तो एक बार डैमेज दबा को फिर पिंडाने का बता अबे सारा बुंगला बन गया बे ये नॉर्मल ला तो जागन सोलिनांगोन गेलेमना इबार जायबा किन्तु माथा खराब जागौमोन आं Oh, text खालामना होदो.
Unless you want to go after another option, message me to confirm that's the vehicle you want to use.
अबे मैसेज बुंदे भाई. Confirm. Leave the garage.
Getaway car secured. Well done. Keep your head down on your way out. I'll give you a call soon.
I think complete जाबाय गेलेम दा मिशन का. Mission complete successful जाबाय nih मिशन. Guys, ibar खालामगोन 6 part I think. Rising tangan guys. Next part ke column now. Ibar 500 se jama ibar.
I swear, this weather is just
Oh,
so
you did.
pretty.
Bench ni pon wede.
So I understand that your MO is up to you, but there are steps you can take to ensure the element of surprise is on your side. Introducing a little chaos into the cartel supply line is one of them. If you do, they'll assume your arrival on the train is just an unscheduled delivery. And if nothing else, the looks on their faces will be highly amusing.
1 2 3 सारी पहिए इबार 5 बा भाई. Disney guys genetic cream ने मेरा crime.
Oh, please.
भाई मैं इफरदान मने. चलो guys खत्म से दे. Number 5 mission का. In of last. चलो. तदे guys थंगनी से दे जंगा.
Alright, you have the coordinates for the Cluckin outlet on Innocence Boulevard. I'll hit you with the brief.
मुठाना करना. तगा को रखने. Cluckin
Alright, the
outlet.
time has come to throw the cartel supply lines into disarray. We need them in a state of chaos. So when our unscheduled train delivery arrives at the factory, they just wave it through. So our primary objective is to locate their depot and sabotage their fleet of delivery trucks. Our secondary objective is to find a key card that'll allow us access to the factory's restricted areas. Oh, and keep an eye out for a driver uniform. That could come in handy for getting into the depot to hit the trucks.
Okay. Driving हमने वो डी जिनो guys. Good hard.
Okay, remember that laptop you got me? I found a schedule
Okay.
that says there should be delivery vans leaving this establishment any minute. Hack all the vans, and we can use the GPS to find the depot where they load up the drugs. That's where we're gonna hit them. We're getting our
Check come
money's
on,
worth out
nigga.
of that guy's hacking device.
Check come by देंगे.
We're getting his money's worth. Be forewarned, they'll know we've infiltrated their system, and they won't let us slide.
Whoa, damn.
वाह बहुत उली है बेटी ना खबर.
Damn, data's incomplete. If we hack additional vans, we can patch the information.
Okay,
If
आदमी
you see
से
a
करना.
uniform, take it. Might as well buy some time by playing the part. Plus, it's a rare chance to express your theatrical side.
Oh. Ada misi orang nanda. Yang berada sih yang ini ya. Retangga. Ini discussions kan bang guys. Street. Cutting ini gimana cutting?
Whoa, damn.
Kali kayak kamu dengan bi.
Yeah, look at those fucking pieces of shit. Somebody help.
That's it. Sending the location now.
Mau sudah.
Don't worry about the van's drivers warning their collaboration is at the garage. They won't suspect this is part of a coordinated attack. They'll just assume it's another day in Los Santos.
Okay.
You in that uniform? If so,
Yes.
you should be at an advantage. Just try not to show your face for as long as you can. It's clear you do not belong there.
Enter the garage. चलो सुमा मंगल तर भन्ने पावर भएको ओ भाइ असली वस्तु मिल्ने मामले
Okay, keep things quiet and this will be easy. Means the factory won't be expecting us at all. All you gotta do is sabotage the trucks and grab a key card. If you wipe the CCTV, they'll be none the wiser. But listen, if you want to blow the trucks up, there's no way of keeping that on the down low. You'll be alerting the whole cartel that you're coming for them. But hey, maybe that's your style.
भाइ
You know, there's
some
gotta be
remember
areas that are
no
strictly off
regular
limits to
delivery on
drivers.
the pole
The cartel won't want anyone seeing something they shouldn't.
वाह ini oh ini wah mama din ini oh ini macam ni be oh ini macam ni be oh kena yang kan salah ini sih kalau mana sih bang oh भाई Kenang na yun. Tapos sa lawan ng naruga kung muna kayo guys.
I know, ese. Hey, cabrón, don't you know I'm loco?
You've been compromised. Take out those guards immediately or they'll report you to the cartel.
Sana.
Go back home. Hasta la chingada de aquí.
Siri kamu be, hakaran masam nge. Abe, tanah lanang be.
Alright, with the key card, the factory's gonna be easy to infiltrate.
E-card nang gadang. Check out by binunga. Oh man bale. Kanele. Salah roket launcher kemana lagi teman?
Fucking asshole!
You got the factory's attention. A witness must have put you in the picture. They're on to us.
우리가 함수 넣은 건데. Step short step ada sabotage nama. Amma. Pada last mission itu. Complete apa nih?
Eliminate any witnesses if you don't want the cartel to hear about this. Get out of there. Now the cartel are on to us. We need to move fast.
The fuck, motherfucker!
Itu मार देंगे तेरे माने भाई. Ini बात ले लेंगे भाई पीछे पीछे होगा. Menyo lan lah nih guys. Abe, oh yes. Oh boy. Live dia, live dia. Bisa nangkep ya? Nakin boleh nggak? Bisa berkah nangkep guys, bisa nih bud. Kami jangan ada. Oh yes. Ini coba nih boy. Nih coba sama lagi nih. Last nih coba. Oh gila be. Badi ke badi ada. Kembali lagi bom lihat ada kembali. Direct thangkadan ni sey, direct thangkadan jelai. Kesang bisa mengini pertama ni.
Okay, I hope you're ready for a fight, because the cartel have you in their sights now. I'll work out the details and be in touch. This is it, the final hit.
You are last guys. Pura bom pajak ni bang. Leave the area. Ini berapa naik rasa dengan lagi apa? Oh come on. Dekar mana tu amak hilang. Guys, patah mungkin nama escape, bye escape. Oh, I must escape, be. Bye 69 level na ikut ni best. Oh, kanal kena lah mulu lagi. Oh, kena lah. Kek kam na dekat ni bhai. Salah tu apa ni? Escape dah bagaimana? Oh yes boy. So guys, sampai besok. Last ever. Bye bye, Vince
Hey.
Nicole.
It's my pleasure to inform you that we have officially completed all necessary preparations to move forward with the Clucking Bell operation at your earliest convenience. Let's make this happen.
Yes. Last final scenes of the crime. Let's go.
It all culminates here, my
Oh
friend.
boy.
I've been on the radios, and after
Keren.
deciphering some mediocre code words, it sounds like they're expecting a robbery. I suggest you elegantly fuck their shit up, regardless. I'm sure it's hard not to focus on the guys trying to kill you, but remember we're here for the operation, not the people. Acquire the cocaine, clear the safe, get the hell out.
또 밑으로
If
받은
you
뭐?
want to refresh your arsenal, don't forget the extra equipment you acquired. I've arranged for it to be left in the dumpster to the rear of the factory.
또 희망한 강병을 밑으로 왜? Go to box. 밑으로 없나? 그냥 말해 보내 밑으로. 내 기능 낭비입니다. 왜 라스트는 계속 왜?
You motherfucker! Hey, douchebag!
अबे वाह नहीं यार यो हम ना कर भाई.
Take cover, cabrones, now! Shit! Luis espada! Jimmy's down! Jimmy's down!
ठीक है भाई. कर पूरा इतना दबी नहीं.
There should be a fuse box that will allow you entry if you can destroy it.
Take cover, fucking puto! Chinga tu madre! One of the homies, that's it! Find cover! What's up, fucking man? He got hit! Help him out! Aguas! Find cover! Hijo de puta! Hijo de puta madre!
Puta madre हम ना भाई वैसे जगह.
The key card you acquired should grant you access to restricted areas in the factory, including the basement.
अबे.
Got a man down!
पैच कर दूँगा नंगना कर दे. खास होने से. I got the reload. Pucha maco. Gila yo. भाई मग रहा हम.
I want his fucking head! I gotta reload!
cocaine loot.
Do not leave the storage area without a considerable amount of, you know what.
Tapos mga guys, lagi na laban ng cartel ng bank basay gan. Ay cocaine bye. Cocaine kita muna guys, magadi ko na ito. Oh, भाई लुटी ना मत ना गिंदो. तर नहीं उड़ेंगे. फंक्शन ला. ओ भाई लुटी को आया कभी साला ओ कोके भाई डेंजरस जगह गंदा है मुझे मदांग इधर इसके हमने अर्जन मुझे मदांग गाइस लास्ट में चलेंगे नहीं भाई कोकेन के लिए बोल रहा exit kalau mengenal ini bro ada sih yang belum gue ओ भाइयों सब ना नो बे भाई गोलियां मत खाइए बे ओ लो ओ भाई यार aku beri kan doang भाई माह बे puto
This place is barely functioning as a chicken factory. One would assume they'd have more Cluckin Bell staff to keep
अबे
up
तो बड़ी
appearances, but I underestimated just how bold criminals can be once they have the police in their pocket.
भाई ये होना आदमी है भाई अबे कोबार गया ना मैं भाई यार मर गया लगे भाई बेने ngubeng juga murah nang kedar mana yo Man down, man down. Aquí pueden ver.
¡Que viva los capines! Carlos got hit. I fucking hate this.
Gila gila. सुनते पास ना करना मैं ओ भाई बुरे थे होगा बहुत ही है चला pelangnya ke bel kan वो निकला ना नंबर yếu phải năng ăn rồi về nơi cái nơi đi sang nó ok nah kinang na kinang na why bodo na oh makin nang baik kinang nang baik rasanya boleh berada mana makin nang baik nih labai ini bertangan kan oh नहीं ना हंडो भाभी डंगा भाई माँ भूल जा रहा है फोटो नहीं हो हम मंगवा नहीं डंगा ये बस ऐसा भाई भाई दो इन बार किन्हें डिस्टर्ब करना है उल्टा उल्टी जाके ना all dead Cluckin bel mouse sudah mana kali ini sih cuma pada nggak tahu itu nama itu mana chicken nama Yusuf bel mouse ya menang misalnya search for cocaine create okay Pai pisah taman mungkin baru gedem-gedem.
You secured the product. Start looking for the safe.
Safe. Area lift ka mungkin gedem-gedem. Oh safe. Tiktok gelang ya.
Unless you want to find the key, head towards
Alright,
the office and
tang-
do not cease fire. Be advised, shooting the handle could trigger further alarms.
पूरा क्लियर हम मांगेंगे
¡Vamos!
Vamos Vamos no hay, भाई. You have to, you do not have a key to unlock. Key mo maganda रे भाई. माँ बुझती फिर भाई सीजन फिर. Ini fitur apa nang itu sabi kamu gandang. Dauni kap nang ala deh. Ko kon be. Modi ke mana zaman ni भाई मुझे तो लेना है. तो मुझे क्या? Oh, भाई बिसरना पानी लिम बड़ी करे. साला साबी. Sabi bisa namin sa tax be. You unlock the door.
Okay, here we
Check
go.
the office
Connect
computer.
to the computer. It's safe to assume you didn't read the manual for the hacking device you picked up, correct? Well, I did, and it's simple. Just find the strongest signal, and it should jump on the connection. If you're seeing blue, keep going in that direction. Red, you're off course. There could be multiple points, so keep walking till you found them.
Use the device to find safe code. Oh, new no lagi safe. ये गया. Oh, नहीं हो बस हम नहीं हो सकते बे. Use the hacking device to find safe code. Blocking the night. Full signal का नाम मिले बंदा. Pero no ha bilgo ikinci nokta. अबे मोड में बे सेव कोड आ भाई. Stefan udah kodam ngendang. Mana beri? Ini udah guys kurang.
Remember, there are multiple connections. You'll need to hack each one before you have the code.
Use di bayar ada lagi orang kan hodeng baru. Ini orang kan lagi nang. Ini mah. Ini serba dengan be. Punya kacau bareng be. Oh, ini betul dong mesbo. Apa bahaya kaca sembunyi baru kong habis ada sembunyi. भाई बोर्ड आड़ पे नहीं मुझे भी पता नहीं क्या होगा ओ नहीं मुझे नहीं ओके मतलब
Okay, that should have done it. Have you received the safe code?
सब कोड कम देगा ये चलो
Check the hacking device for the code to the safe.
भाई कोड ना कितने वो मैंने हार्ड कोड मारे Mesang 86 ada gitu namanya 86 34 Pwjwbbai 34 पे 02 ओ भाई फाइनली 50 लाख बस ना गिना नहीं बे
All right, we got what we came for. All right, I'd say it's about time for you to get out of there. There's a healthy mix of cops and cartel ready to gun you down on your way out. So be ready. Okay, they're mobilizing on the comms. Sounds like they're about to shut
Oh,
down
why?
any nearby roads. But as usual, we're one step ahead. Your getaway car is stored just beyond their reach.
Garia mudung kan deh.
Ándale pues,
Garia ni mudung nang ni.
A modest but sound means of escape.
Bhai escape marahan numbi deh bhai.
Okay, see that anybody chasing you is appropriately shaken, stirred, or otherwise dispatched. Whatever it takes to get you back to the lockup below with the deliverables.
Bhai saat memberi star be. Rasta nang badan na bhai train te tulana kan. Bhai बहुत टाइम जोन रहा हमने. Oh भाई टनल को मनी पुलिस है कारण वहाँ वो याद आसम मजा रास्ता मुझे कार्टेला भी सनंग लगाए जंग ओ भाई अबे यार मानी मन आड़ दे लग रंग नहीं ओ नहीं तो लेना है tanah mana juga mana yang bahasa ini mereka. Oh my. Apa stop the vehicle? Oh भाई पुलिस भाई कंट्रोल में बहुत कष्ट कर रहे हैं अबे तो मुझे भी चाहिए क्या ओ वायर भूल गया ना हम लोग
2,000 years later.
ये बात तो लब ना गाड़ी फाइनली पुलिस अकेले गाइस
Shit, sorry, I can't get there at the moment.
They've fallen behind.
गाइस फाइनली पुलिस अकेले साला नहीं असिस्टेंट का मारा नहीं तो मैकेनिक है साला गाड़ी मुझे लाना पड़ेगा अकेले भी
You're gonna have to do it out for now. I can't get over there.
रास्ता मोड़ेंगे गाड़ी मुझे भाई रास्ता उड़ा पे उड़ेंगे हर गाइस अरे हर है भाई बोलता कि ट्रेन टैग फाइनली भाई फाइनली गाड़ी फाइनल रास्ता कम देंगे दोस्ता बुलेट देंगे गाइस दोस्ता बुलेट दोस्ता Bye. Tiga lawan saya lain kan. Betul ya kebi. Solo finally भाई मुझे गाड़ी मिशन दें. Sekarang kan guys, final destination oh. पूरा तापन नानगन माथा जगन
I gotta admit, quite apart from this being a matter of principle, our whole operation has livened up my day-to-day considerably. Makes a pleasant change from people holding up 24/7 stores. We can't have the LSPD jeopardize our HQ. Not now. We'll lose them. In case you were wondering what I intend to do with the illegal narcotics you've so adroitly seized, I've made arrangements with the representative of a local businessman to take them off your hands and pay you well. See you shortly.
Oh भाई अरे oh ini finally जाबाय guys mission complete.
Excellent work. Mission accomplished.
Mission
Now to the
accomplished.
vital matter of payment. As I'm sure you can appreciate, there are certain transactions I can't be party to as an officer of the law. But if I've learned anything from my consociates on the LSPD, it's how to look the other way.
Apa sudah dia mana? Bisa ke dia kan?
Now remember, as far as I'm concerned, you can hit that factory as often as you'd like. As long as you're giving me reasons to keep looking the other way, I'm happy. As you can see from my choice of transportation, my fortunes at the LSPD are also improving. Just got these babies in, fresh off the line. Guess who picked one up? Until next time, now let's disassociate.
Mission accomplished guys. BODOGAMER mission complete जाबाय लागा मोनगोन next आरो गोदान mission